Hey there! Exploring a city or island on two wheels is often the most exciting way to travel, and BikesBooking.com makes it affordable by offering motorbike, scooter, and bicycle rentals worldwide. Whether you are in Asia, Europe, or Americas, they partner with local rental companies to give you reliable and cheap options. To save with Bikes Booking, make sure to use the link in the description. This will give you access to extra discounts and special deals not visible to regular users. Another way to save is to book online in advance, which not only guarantees availability but often comes at lower price than booking on the spot. As for the features, Bikes Booking lets you compare a wide range of vehicles, from scooters for city rides to big motorbikes for long road trips, and even electric bikes for eco-friendly travel. You'll also find helmets, insurance, and extra included in many bookings, so you don't have to worry about hiding cost. The website is also easy to use, as you can see, transparent with pricing and supports booking in over 70 countries. You also have this amazing frequently asked session. Sorry guys, frequently asked question session where you can find all different like questions made by the people, and even before contracting the support, you may find the answer you were looking for. So, if you want freedom and flexibility while traveling, Bikes Booking is a great choice. And without referral link in the description, you will even enjoy your ride at best possible price.